This is Hunyah Travels, and today I'm going to be making Portuguese tart in the air fryer, which is a really easy recipe. For the ingredients, you just need some milk, condensed milk, and 2 eggs. Add in a little bit of milk. That again. First, add in a little bit of milk, not too much because the rest of it will be condensed milk. So a little bit of milk, and then add some condensed milk. Now add in 2 eggs for the Portuguese tart. So just put them in like this. And now it's ready to be blended. Blend the mixture. And now set that aside. Now the mixture is ready to be put into the baking tray, and it is ready to be baked in the air fryer. Into the air fryer to bake it for 25 minutes. Ready? Oh, okay. Wait, it didn't cook. Take this out. And it is done. Now, Portuguese tart is done, so just waiting to take it out. And now, here's the Portuguese tart. So this is really easy, really simple to make. And the recipe will be on Hunyah Travels blog. And be sure to please like and subscribe and share Hunyah Travels YouTube videos, and be tuned in for the next one. Thank you.